Girl Renee, and look at my potato harvest that I did a couple of days ago. I am going to turn these potatoes into some fried potatoes with onions. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this is my potato harvest. This is what they're looking like as I'm getting them peeled. And when I get them all cooked up, I'll show you a little glimpse of them in the skillets with the onions and the seasonings. And then I will show you what they look like with my meal of the day, which is going to be baked pork chops, my fried potatoes and onions, and some corn. Maybe a little salad on the side. Alright guys, I'm going to get back to peeling these freshly grown potatoes from my garden. I'm so excited because this is something I've grown and I'm able to feed my family. And that is such an exciting thing. So let me get back to peeling these potatoes so I can get this meal rolling and so I can share this meal with you guys and let you see what it looks like when it's all done. Woohoo! Alright, fried potatoes with onions. Here we come. You are going to be delicious. So here are my potatoes that I grew in my garden. I got some yellow potato, Yukon Gold potatoes, white potatoes. I got some little bit of red potatoes in there. I have my pearl white onions that I grew from my garden. And I have some of those dehydrated onion tops. So everything so far has been grown out of Miss Renee's garden. Woohoo! I will show you the finished product when it's done. Look at it. Looking so good, you guys. So good. Guys, here are my potatoes. I'm so excited that I grew these potatoes all by myself, and also my little pearl onions are in there and my dehydrated onion tops. Alright, next thing you'll see is my plate all plated up with all my goodness that I'm going to share with you that I'm having for dinner. Alright, take care. Here is my dinner. I have my potatoes that I grew in my garden, this lovely, delicious, scrumptious pork chop, and this beautiful corn. I have been cooking all day, and I am so ready to enjoy this meal. Alright guys, last look at my potatoes, pork chop, and this corn. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video, me sharing you what Miss Renee was making for dinner today, and I'm so excited that I was able to grow some of this dinner in my garden. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Look at that dinner. So good.